Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve Hyper Hypervisor is not running error on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So there are some easy steps. First step, enable Hypervisor on Windows 11 or 10. So open BIOS and enable the Intel VTX or AMD MV. So enable VTX, or if your system has AMD, so enable AMD V or SVM mode. And if you want to know how to enable these both, so check out description link. There is the already a video. I show you how to enable VTX or AMD. Second method, go to the control panel, then program and features. Merge icons. Now click on programs and features. Now here click on turn Windows feature on or off. Now here find out Hyper-V. So find out here. So find out here Hyper-V and also enable these all subfolders: Hyper-V management tool, Hyper-V GUI management tool, Hyper-V modules for Windows PowerShell. I have not that feature, but if you have, so just find out here and check that box. Then click on OK and make sure you have to check this box also: virtual machine platform and Windows Hypervisor platform. So select this all box, then click on OK. Now wait for a few seconds till this process will be complete. Now restart your system. After restart, open CMD, run as administrator. Now here guys, you have to type this command line, then press enter. Now exit and again restart. So this is the method guys, you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this video work for you or not.